This is the same what you're smelling now. That's called menthol.
So why am I getting menthol with my nose?
Which is good for opening the sinuses. So we use like as a natural wicks. What you have to do, just a tiny bit, you have to put in hot boiling water to get the steam of that. Or you can put on the charcoal to get the smoke of that. That's what we do here whenever we have many people in the same house. So it's easy to use for us on the charcoal. So that's what I'm going to do right now, so I can show you everybody on the same one charcoal. So I want you to please close your eyes and breathe in slowly, okay? Close your eyes and breathe in slowly. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Go to sleep.
Yeah.
Go to sleep.
Okay, breathe in slowly, please. Slowly, slowly.
It's like you just chewed a bunch of gum and then drink water.
If you want to buy saffron in your country, you need to try the saffron first.